Good evening, y'all. How you doing? It's LoKKo D from the 1-8 in Cal. I'm going to give y'all a quick review on this Magpul furniture. What you're seeing here is the Zhukov AK handguard, the extended handguard here. You're also seeing the Zhukov S stock, which is a collapsible stock, and it also folds on the side. This has been a fun project overall. I started it back in 2014. Those of you who know Magpul know they've been around since 2007. I've been using Magpul since 2011. I've always been very successful with their products. This right here I installed on a wasser. Those of you know wassers, man, you can beat them up. This was just a fun project here, and honestly, a lot of these parts on this wasser are really not original. So what we're going to do right here, remove the magazine and show you the chamber is empty. Now that the chamber is empty, this rifle is now safe to be handled. We can continue talking about this Magpul furniture. Again, this install was done on a GP Wasser 1063. Guys, I don't want you to discourage yourself. If you do choose to install the long handguard, you do know you have to remove the retainer piece, and it is a piece of cake. And those of you who are worried you might regret going along with the installation and might want to go back, but you can't after the retainer piece is removed, you're not going to want to go back. Believe me, guys, I am the most indecisive person in the world. This is going to improve your rifle 100%. It has improved my rifle 100%. Magpul is very durable. I take this thing out on a regular. I travel with it. I take it out to the farm. I take it out in the woods. I shoot this thing every day. And honestly, man, this thing just holds up. So let's talk about the grip we have here. We have an M-Lock MVG, which is just a vertical grip. It's very easy to install. You can do it in a matter of maybe 2-3 minutes. It's got some stippling on here if you'd like to check it out, and the stippling is very nice. It's kind of hard to see through the camera, but I did stipple my handguard here just myself, or just my handle rather, and it's very comparable. And like I said, Magpul holds up, man. This stuff is very tough. It's very comfortable. I have no problems with it whatsoever. I've had it for over 4 years now, and I'm just finally doing a review. Here's some other things I've installed. I've installed the Magpul Paraclip. This thing's going to run you about $16. That's what it ran me before tax. I didn't want nothing fancy. I got the old, Russian sling here. That does me good. On the back here, though, I did get this sling mount kit. I can show you guys how to do that in the next video. But you can change the position of your QD mount. Which is very nice too, if you're a little picky like me and you want to change things up a bit. Let's go ahead and show you how this stock works. Push the button there, and it will lock in. And that bolt's going to move freely. It's not going to be no obstruction whatsoever. I didn't even install the gas tube cover. I kept this one. This is from a Bulgarian. It's still in the box, but it is a very nice one. I just like this one a little bit better for some reason. Even my dust cover is from a Bulgarian AK-74. Like I said, guys, this AK right here, most of the parts on it are not the original. But overall, Magpul, man, very, very, very happy with everything that they've supplied me with so far. I've used them since 2011, guys. Everything's held up. This install was done over 4 years ago. I know I'm getting around to doing these videos a little bit late, but I will be happy to do an install video for you the next time I have to strip her down and clean her. Again, guys, this install was very easy. I mean, I didn't even need any tools whatsoever. They supply you with an Allen wrench, and really all I used was a pair of channel locks and a grinder. The grinder to remove the retainer piece, and a grinder to break the weld where I had a thread protector, and the channel locks were really just to wiggle the retainer piece off because it was hot, and then to kind of grip on the thread protector to remove that as well. Other than that, everything was done with the Allen wrench. And I don't know what you guys do for a living, but I'm a plumber, and if you do labor for a living, you'll find that this install is going to be very easy for you. It's really just grip strength. If you operate an AK-74 or an AK-47, we're tough people. I mean, you guys can handle this install. Overall, thumbs up to Magpul. Like I said, guys, I've been very successful with their product since 2011. AK owners, if you are interested in an extended handguard, this is the product to get right here. Zhukov AK Handguard by Magpul.